This brand new 3 BHK twin villa available for sale at Bangalore North. This is built upon 2000 square feet, 1000 each inside a gated community situated in one of the southern location in Bangalore North. Right now we are at MBIT Cross, Bangalore International Airport Road. Metro construction is almost 80% completed and from here our project is around 6.5 kilometers. This is the road from MBIT Cross we need to take right. While following this bridge, we will reach David Padukone Academy of Sports and Excellence. On the way, we will see Stonehill International, which is around 10 minutes from the project. So this is good for someone who is looking for villa near the top international schools. We have Vidyasilp Academy on the same road, and airport is just around 20 minutes drive from the project. And this is a brand new unfurnished means there is no flooring done. You can customize it as per your requirement. Like this road will connect to IVC road, and while we take left from here you can see Prestige Marigold top like 110 acres of development from Prestige Group on the same road, which connects you towards Elanka Dodwalapur road. Right now we are entering inside the layout. This is the actual villa what we are talking about. While on the ground floor, we have two parkings, like two car with multiple bike parkings with automatic shutters. And while we enter on the ground, you have this huge teak wood door, main door that is around 9 to 10 feet. On the ground floor, you have your living room along with utility area, and this is for the living and dining, along with a puja unit. And you have a garden just backside of your project. This villa was created for brother or sister, best friends, parents and children, son and daughter, two closely connected families. The design allows both households to live independently with a separate kitchens, bedroom and private space while remaining connected through beautifully designed shared areas. This is not a traditional house. This is not a standard modern villa. It is a home for someone who values luxury with meaning, privacy with togetherness, nature with modern design. The villa is divided into two private residences while remaining maximizing every inch of space. The home was designed around Vastu inspired principles, Panch Bhuta balance and flow, natural light optimization with airflow engineering. Every dimension, every opening, every line in the house has been calculated with purpose. The puja room, for example, has been designed using the property's 3.14 sunlight ventilation. Every entry and exit of air and the orientation of space have carefully planned to create a home that feels calm, balanced and alive. At the center of villa lies one of the most breathtaking features, a private internal courtyard transformed into a mini forest. One of the most dramatic features of the home is large sliding and folding wall between two living space. Approximately 16 to 18 feet opening can be fully opened when entertaining guests. When opened, both homes became a grand entertainment space. The living room area expands dramatically, perfect for family gathering, celebration. You can see the natural light in the house. Every windows are custom designed around 9 to 10 feet. This is the master bedroom with an attached washroom. You can check the size of washroom. This can be customized as per requirement, as the owner who built this villa for themselves are shifting abroad. They left this at the stage, like someone can customize it as per their requirement. The asking for this villa is 2.5 crore each villa, along with the plot inside a gated community with premium amenities. This is one of the chance to own this kind of villa in Bangalore. You can run an Airbnb from here with this unique feature, or you can stay with your roommate or the brothers who wants to stay together, respect their privacy and still they want to be connected to each other. While on the terrace, this is connected to both of the homes from the ground floor and on the terrace. You have your three layer of waterproofing done for the private garden to be settled here. You have a small powder room over here. Contact Bangalore North Realestate 911 320 3639 for more info.